Hello viewers, I am Dr. Shaileshkumar. So we all always talk about what to eat, but there are food which we should avoid. There are food which are worst for the varicose veins. So we'll see what food not to eat to stop or prevent the damage of the varicose veins. So these are food which are high in sugars, food which are high in salt, and food which are high carbohydrates. So these are the four foods which you should avoid. That is, one is the fried food, because this will clog your arteries and reduce the blood circulation. Second is milk and cheese. Milk and cheese will slow down your digestion. There will be constipation and bloating, and there will be pressure on the veins coming from the lower down. So these veins will swell up and increase the symptoms of varicose veins. So the third thing is smoking and alcohol. So similarly, smoking and alcohol will cause clogging of these arteries and reduce the blood circulation. Fourth thing is processed meat. Processed meat will contain high content of salt, sodium, which will retain the water in the blood vessels and increase the thickness or density of the blood. So it will be hard for the heart to pump the blood, so the circulation will be impaired. So along with the diet, if you are doing exercise, this will help in improving the symptoms of the varicose veins. So these four foods you should avoid if you are suffering with the varicose veins.